at a distance 2L apart. Or and the points of the string points of the string points of the string are given initial velocities given initial velocities v, where v equal to cx by L in 0 less than x less than L c by L into 2L minus x in L less than x less than 2L. X being a distance from one endpoint, one endpoint. Find the displacement of the string. Find the displacement of the string at any subsequent time. At any subsequent time. Okay. So this is a one-dimensional wave equation. Currently, we are discussing about that one-dimensional ET equation, but I missing that one problem in one-dimensional wave equation. The one-dimensional wave equation problem when the initial velocity is not equal to 0. So here we can see that a string is stretched between two fixed points at a distance 2L. Okay. So here we can consider one stretched string of length 2L. So x equal to 0 and x equal to 2L. This x-axis, and then this one is y-axis. So what is the displacement here? This is the displacement of the string. Now this distance y of x comma t, y of x comma t. Write the solution. The one-dimensional wave equation is dou square y by dou t square equal to a square dou square y by dou x square. This is equation number 1. What is the solution? The solution of 1 is y of x comma t equal to a cos px b sin px c cos pat plus d sin pat. This equation number 2. The boundary conditions y of 0 comma t equal to 0, y of 2L comma t equal to 0. The initial conditions are, what are the initial conditions here? So first we have to write the zero boundary condition, then you have to write the non-zero boundary condition. So what is the zero boundary condition here? When that initial velocity is given, you have to take that initial displacement is zero. So what is the initial displacement? Y of x comma 0 is 0. That is the initial condition 1. Initial condition 2 is yt of x comma 0 equal to the given f of x. What is given f of x here? Cx by L in 0 to L, 0 to L, C by L into 2L minus x in L to 2L. Now, um, we have to solve the problem. Applying that boundary condition, two boundary condition, what you get? When you are applying the first boundary condition, you will get that A equal to 0. When you are applying the second boundary condition, you will get that P equal to n pi by L when length is L, but here length is 2L, na? So n pi by 2L. When you are applying the boundary condition 1, we get A equal to 0. Applying boundary condition 1, we get A equal to 0. Applying the boundary condition 2, we get that P equal to n pi by 2L. So what is the resulting equation here? Resulting equation is y of x comma t equal to v sin n pi x by 2L c cos n pi at by 2L plus d sin n pi at by 2L. Okay. So we can take it this as equation number 1, this is equation number 2, this one is equation number 2, this is equation number 3, equation number 3. Now we have to apply the boundary, the initial condition. What is the first initial condition? Y of x comma 0 equal to 0. Applying initial condition 1. Applying initial condition 1, y of x comma 0. Y of x comma 0. That means what? What should be happen here? Substituting t equal to 0. When you are substituting t equal to 0, this cos 0 is 1, sin 0 is 0. Therefore, that part is 0. B sin n pi x by 2L into c. But y of x comma 0 is 0. But y of x comma 0 equal to 0. Therefore, you substitute that right hand side, left hand side equal to 0, that is equal to b sin n pi x by 2L into c. So, what should be the 0 here? B is not equal to 0. Sin n pi x by 2L is not equal to 0. Only possibility is c equal to 0. Substituting c equal to 0 in 3. Substituting c equal to 0 in 3. So if you are substituting c equal to 0 in 3, this is the equation number 3. Na? If you are substituting c equal to 0 here, so this part is over, this will come. So y of x comma t is y of x comma t equal to b sin n pi x by 2L into d sin n pi at by 12. One comparison here already I told, when that initial displacement is given, when the initial displacement is given after applying the three boundary conditions, that means two boundary condition, one initial condition, we will get the combination of sine and cos here, sine and cos. When the initial velocity is given, that means initial velocity is non-zero, the resultant equation should be sine and sine combination. Okay. So here you take that b into d equal to summation of n equal to 1 to infinity bn. That is, you are generalizing the solution. So y of x comma t is what? Y of x comma t equal to summation of n equal to 1 to infinity bn sine n pi x by 12 into sine n pi at by 12. Okay. Then what is the fourth boundary condition? Sorry, second initial condition. Second initial condition is yt of x comma 0. That means you have to differentiate y with respect to t, then you substituting t equal to 0. For that, first you have to differentiate with respect to t. Differentiate, you take this as equation number 4. Differentiate 4 partially. Differentiate 4 partially with respect to t. So yt of x comma t equal to summation of n equal to 1 to infinity bn sine n pi x by 12. Give it that is the constant. Differentiation of sine is cos n pi at by 12 into n pi a by 12. Bn is one constant. This n pi a by 12 is one more constant. So take, now you substitute the t equal to 0. It of x comma 0 equal to summation of n equal to 1 to infinity bn into n pi a by 12 into sine n pi x by 12. When you substituting t equal to 0 here, what happened? This portion, cos portion, is 1. Since cos 0 is 1. Okay. So yt of x comma 0 is f of x. Is it not? Some f of x. F of x equal to summation of n equal to 1 to infinity bn sine n pi x by 12. But what is bn here? You can see here. Bn is, take bn equal to capital Bn into n pi x by 12. Not n pi x, n pi a by 12. Where Vn equal to capital Bn into n pi a by 12. So what is this? Equation number 5. Equation 5 is the half range Fourier sine series. What is Bn here? Bn equal to Actually 2 by L should come. 2 by L should come. But this length is 12, na? Therefore 2 by 12 integral over 0 to 12 f of x sine n by x by 12 into dx. But what is f of x here? This f of x is this one. Cx by L, C by L 12 minus x. But in the interval is different. 0 to 12, sorry 0 to L, L to 12. Discontinuity points. We can substitute here. Bn equal to, sorry, that implies Vn equal to 1 by L 0 to 0 to L. In the 0 to L, f of x is Cx by L sine n by x by 2L into dx plus L to 2L C by L into 2L minus x sine n by x by 2L into dx. Close up. So integrate by using the Bernoulli's formula. Integrate by using the Bernoulli's formula. See, in both the terms, C by L is there. Take it that C by L outside, this is a constant. So you will get that C by L square. Bn equal to P by L square. First keep it x. Integration of sine is minus cos. Minus cos n pi x by 2L divided by n pi by 2L minus differentiation of x is 1. Integration of minus cos is minus sine n pi x by 2L divided by n pi by 2L whole square. What is the interval? 0 to L plus C by L square. Once again write C by L square is outside. Then 2L minus x. 2L minus x, keep it that. 2L minus x, na? Yes, 2L minus x, keep it that. The integration of sine is minus cos n pi x by 2L divided by n pi by 2L minus 2L minus x. Differentiation is minus 1. Then integration of minus cos is minus sine n pi x by 2L divided by n pi by 2L whole square. Limit is L to 2L. Substituting that 0 to 2L, sorry, 0 to L, if you are substituting L here, what happened? L get cancelled, sin n pi by 2 will come. And then if you are substituting 0, this is 0, this is 0. So lower limit is fully 0. Lower limit is fully 0. Only you have to apply the upper limit. So C by L square, C by L square, L, and then minus is there, keep it outside. Substituting L here, minus L, minus L, cos n pi by 2 divided by n pi by 12. This minus minus will be plus, plus sin n pi by 2 divided by n pi by 12 whole square. It is upper limit, plus. What about the second term? In the second term, if you are substituting 12, what happened? 12 minus 12, 0. So, and then one more here, 12. If you are substituting 12 here, 12 is substituting 12 here, 12, 12 get cancelled, sin n by 0. So, fully upper limit is 0. Fully upper limit is 0. Only lower limit you have to substitute, minus. Minus outside C by L square is there. C by L square is there. 0 upper limit over minus lower limit. What happened to lower limit? Substituting L here. 12 minus L, L only. Minus is there. So minus L cos n pi by 2 divided by n pi by 12. N pi by 12. Then minus minus minus. 3 minus is there. Minus substituting L here, sin n pi by 2, sin n pi by 2 divided by n pi by 12 whole square. So what happened here? See, this minus cos L pi by this get cancelled. This get cancelled, and then here 2 times of sin n pi by 2, n pi by 12 whole square. So finally, what you get? C by L square after simplification. C by L square 2 into 12 by n pi whole square. Take it to the numerator and then into sin n pi by 2. Sin n pi by 2. What is this? Bn. Bn equal to 8c by n square pi square. L square get cancelled. Sin n pi by 2. This is Bn. Okay. But what is our requirement? Our requirement is capital Bn. We need that capital Bn only here. Y of x comma t Bn. What is capital Bn? Capital Bn is here. Bn, small bn equal to, that is Bn into n pi a by 12 into n pi a by 12 equal to 8c by n square pi square sin n pi by 2. Cross multiply that, we will get Bn. So what is capital Bn here? Capital Bn equal to 8C, that means 16 LC, 16 CL divided by N cube pi cube A into sine N pi by 2. Bn equal to 16 Cl by N cube pi cube A into sine N pi by 2. Therefore, the final answer, the solution is y of x comma t equal to summation of n equal to 1 to infinity, n equal to 1 to infinity. What is the final answer? Here, Bn into sin n pi x by 2 sin n pi at by 2. So substituting Bn there, 16 Cl by n cube pi cube A sin n pi by 2, 16 Cl divided by n cube pi cube A sin n pi by 2 into sin n pi x by 2 into sin n pi at by 2. Is that one problem based on that initial velocity is given? This is a Fourier method. Now we go to the new topic, two-dimensional heat equation. Write the heading. Laplace equation. Laplace equation. Laplace equation for two-dimensional two-dimensional heat equation. Dimensional heat equation. Laplace equation or two-dimensional heat equation. Write down the equation for two-dimensional heat flow, two-dimensional heat flow for the unsteady case. Unsteady case is dou u by dou t equal to alpha square rho square u by rho x square plus rho square u by tau y square. So here what is u? U is the function of u of x comma y. So here u of x comma y is the temperature at any point x comma y, any point x comma y in time t, in time t. So here alpha square is called the diffusivity diffusivity of the material. DIFFU FFU SI VITY. It's not R, it's V. Diffusivity of the material. Okay, material. Okay, already I mentioned that what is alpha square. Alpha square is K by rho into C. K is thermal conductivity, rho is the density of the material, C is the specific heat capacity of the material. A two-dimensional heat equation can we consider? We have to consider either one square plate or rectangular plate. Square plate or rectangular plate. We consider this point is P, x comma y. Then this point is x plus delta x y. This point is x plus delta x, y plus delta y, x comma y plus delta y. Is a small increment. So the heat flow is equal to in all directions. So what is the temperature function here? U1 x comma y is the temperature function. This x-axis, this y-axis, and then this is for 0, 0. Here we consider that the plate is uniform thickness, is having uniform thickness h. See, apart from the three values a by rho c, we consider one more value. Plate is uniform. Plate is having uniform thickness h. Okay, and then already I mentioned that there are two states are there. The heat equation. One is steady state. One more is transient state. What is called a steady state? What is called a steady state?
Sir, if the heat conduction is independent of time, it is called a steady state, sir.
Yes. So what is the equation for this? When dou u by dou t equal to 0, then that is called the steady state. So transition state means dou u by dou t is not equal to 0. Otherwise, u is the function of x comma y, and then it is depend on t. Okay. Here only u is the function of x comma y. Fine. Um, Here, what is called the Laplace equation? The steady state two-dimensional heat equation. The steady state two-dimensional heat equation is called Laplace equation. That is dou u by dou t equal to 0. So when the dou u by dou t equal to 0, we will get the two-dimensional heat equation is dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square equal to 0. That means dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square into u equal to 0. Del square u equal to 0. Del square u equal to 0. It is called the Laplace equation. Del square u, where del square is dou by dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square. Next one is write the note. If the streamlines are parallel to x-axis, then streamlines are parallel to x-axis. The streamlines are parallel to x-axis. Then the rate of change, the rate of change dou u by dou y, then the rate of change dou u by dou y of the of the temperature in the direction of y-axis, in the direction of y-axis, the direction of y-axis will be 0. Will be 0. Then the heat flow equation, then the heat flow equation is reduced to dou u by dou t is reduced to dou u by dou t equal to alpha square dou square u by dou x square, which is the which is the heat flow equation in one dimension. Heat flow equation in one dimension. Okay. So tomorrow we will discuss the solution of two-dimensional heat equation in steady flow. Right. Your attendance 1. Monisha. Monisha. 2.
Present, sir.
4.
Present, sir.
5.
Present, sir.
6. 6 Lakshmi. இல்லையா செக் பண்ணுங்க 7 விஜய்
Present, sir.
8 விஜய்
Present, sir.
விஜய் எத்தனை நாள் ஆப்சென்ட்
Sir,
ஏன்பா நடுவில் ஆப்சென்ட் ஆகுற
நேற்று மட்டும் தான் சார் ஆப்சென்ட்.
ஒரு கிளாஸ் தான் ஆப்சென்ட்டா
ஆமாம் சார்.
சார் இல்லை 2 கிளாஸ் ஆப்சென்ட் மாதிரி இருக்கீங்க
இல்லை சார், நேற்று மட்டும் தான்
சார்
ஓகே சார்.
8 9 விஷால்
எஸ் சார்.
10 சிவப்பா இல்ல 11
Present, sir.
12
Present, sir.
13
Yes, sir.
14
Present, sir.
15
Present, sir.
16
Present, sir.
17
Present, sir.
18
Present, sir.
19
Present, sir.
20
Present, sir.
21
Present, sir.
22
Present, sir.
23
Present, sir.
24 Ebenezer
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
25
Present, sir.
26
Present, sir.
27
Present, sir.
20 28 also. 29
Present, sir.
30
Present, sir.
R yours T
Present, sir.
எத்தனை நாள் ஆப்சென்ட் நேத்து ஆப்சென்ட்டா
இல்ல சார், எனக்கு வந்தேன் சார்.
அப்படியா ஆப்சென்ட் மாதிரி நினைக்கிறேன் சரி ஓகே 31 கவின் தான் ஆப்சென்ட்டா
ஆமா சார்,
கவின்.
எனக்கு கவின் தான் சார் ஆப்சென்ட்.
கவின் தான் ஆப்சென்ட் 31 கவின்
Absent.
இன்னைக்கு ஆப்சென்ட்டா ஓகே நேத்து யார் ஃபீஸ் கட்ட போன திவ்யாவா ரேணுகா
sir.
இல்ல ரேணுகா ஃபீஸ் கட்ட போனாங்க ரேணுகா டி
சார்
ரேணுகா என்னம்மா ஆச்சு நேத்து ஃபீஸ் கட்ட பண்ண என்னாச்சு
கட்டிட்டேன் சார், ஃபீஸ் பே பண்ணிட்டேன் சார்.
ஃபீஸ் பே பண்ணியாச்சா எம் ரேணுகா நீமா
பண்ணிட்டேன் சார். சார் எங்களுக்கு அது அவங்க 23 லாஸ்ட் டேட்க்கு சொல்றாங்க சார்.
எனக்கு தெரியாது நீங்க அதுக்கு முன்னாலே பே பண்ணிருக்கணும் நான் ரொம்ப நாளா கேட்டுக்கின்னு இருக்கேன் நீங்க கடைசி டைம்ல போய் நிக்கிறீங்க
அதான் அவங்க சொன்னாங்க 23
நான் எப்ப
லாஸ்ட்.
சொன்னேன் நான் 12ஆம் தேதி சொன்னேன் நான் 12ஆம் தேதியோ 11ஆம் தேதியோ சொன்னேன் நான் உங்களுக்கு பே பண்ண சொல்லி இன்னைக்கு என்ன டேட் இன்னைக்கு நேத்து தான் நீங்க போறீங்க அதனால என்ன பண்றீங்க
டிடி வாங்கி கொடுத்து பே பண்ணிட்டோம் சார்.
பே பண்ணிட்டீங்க இப்போ ஒரு இது ஏதாவது ஃபைன் ஏதாவது பே பண்ணீங்களா
அதெல்லாம் இல்ல சார், அதெல்லாம் இல்ல சார்.
ஒண்ணும் இல்ல சரி
ஒண்ணும்
சரி
இல்ல.
ஓகே சரி அப்புறம் அந்த ரிசிப்ட்
எது சார் அந்த டிடி
ரிசிப்ட்
பே பண்ணி கொடுப்பாங்களே இருக்கு சார்.
ரிசிப்ட் அனுப்பிச்சிட்டீங்களா எனக்கு மெயில்
இல்ல
அனுப்பிச்சிட்டீங்களா
சார், நான் அனுப்பல சார், நான் அனுப்புறேன் சார்.
சரி அனுப்பிச்சு விடுங்க ரேணுகா டி ரேணுகா
சார் அனுப்புறேன் சார்.
அனுப்புங்க வேற யாரும் இன்னும் பே பண்ணல 4-5 பேர் பே பண்ணல இன்னும் நீங்க சீக்கிரம் பே பண்ண பாருங்க ஓகேங்களா ஒன் வீக்குள்ள நீங்க பே பண்ண பாருங்க இல்லைன்னா சொல்லுவான்னு தெரியல அவங்களும் டெய்லி கால் பண்ணிக்கிட்டே தான் இருக்கிறாங்க எனக்கு ஓகேம்மா see you in the next class இன்னைக்கு என்ன தேர்ட்டி ஆர்டர் தானே
Yes, sir.
ஓகே ஓகே. நெக்ஸ்ட் அவர் யாரு? பிரியா.
செமினார் சார்.
செமினார் அவரா? சரி, okay. சரி, ஓகேம்மா. See you in the next class.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
யாராவது பில்லு யாராவது பேமெண்ட் ரெசிப்ட் யாராவது அனுப்பலன்னா அனுப்பிச்சு விட்ருங்க என்னோட மெயில்.